Hi everyone, today we are going to learn a new Spanish word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to download some amazing flashcards. If you want to learn the conjugation of the verb ser or estar, different colors in Spanish, and also different Spanish verbs, just go to smlessons.com. And I will leave the links to that in the video description down below as well. You can get a membership on this channel. That helps this channel a lot. Here are the perks. And if you're interested, please click on the join button down below to know more about it and to get one. Okay, let's get started. So the Spanish word of the day is también. También. Do you know the meaning of this Spanish word? This is a very, very, very common, very useful Spanish word. This means also, as well, and tú. Okay, so that's quite easy. It's crazy that in English you have also, as well, and tú. In Spanish, you have pretty much just one word to say those three things. Of course, there are similar words in Spanish to say pretty much the same thing, but the most common word for this is también. Okay, now let's see a few examples using this word. Okay. Mi casa también es tu casa. Mi casa también es tu casa. This means my house is also your house. Who hasn't heard that saying, mi casa es tu casa? If someone tells you that, you can answer or say this after you hear that. And essentially, you're saying, my house is also your house. También, in this situation, means also. Okay? Mi casa, my house, is, también, also, tu casa, your house. Okay? Mi casa también es tu casa. My house is also your house. That's a very, very nice thing to say. Okay, now let's see another example. María es inteligente, trabajadora y también buena persona. María es inteligente, trabajadora y también buena persona. This means Maria is intelligent, hardworking, and also a good person. So we're talking about a very, very, very interesting person right here. Someone who is intelligent, hardworking, and also a good person. También in this situation means also. Okay? Now, María es inteligente. María es intelligent. Trabajadora. Hardworking. Y también, and also, buena persona. A good person. Excuse me. A good person. Good for you, Maria. The next example is, también me gustó la cena. También me gustó la cena. This means I liked dinner too. So if someone is saying, oh my God, the meal or the food was amazing, delicious, I really liked it, you can say, también me gustó la cena. Or you can say, me gustó la cena también. You know, so either one. In this situation, también can go at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. También, too. In this situation, también means too. Me gustó, I liked, la cena, dinner, or the dinner. Okay. So this is a very short example, but it's interesting that you can place también at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. You can even place it in the middle of the sentence. You can say, me gustó también la cena. Okay, so también is very, very, very flexible. You can place it pretty much anywhere. Okay, Now let's see another example. Another 3 examples. Just need to get rid of this. Okay, we're ready. También te amo. También te amo. This means I love you too. So you could say te amo también or también te amo. Either one works. As I said before, también is very flexible. También to te amo. I love you. This is a common way to say to someone that you love them back, you know? También te amo. I love you too. If your boyfriend, girlfriend, spouse tells you te amo, you can say también te amo back, okay? Perfect. Now, Miguel es buen hijo y también un buen padre. Miguel es buen hijo y también un buen padre. This means Miguel is a good son and a good father as well. También, we can see that it means as well. También as well. Miguel es buen hijo. Or you can say un buen hijo. Either one works. Miguel es buen hijo. Or Miguel es un buen hijo. Miguel is a good son. Y también, and as well, un buen padre. A good father. Or también buen padre. You can add un or not in this situation. So Spanish is very flexible. Obviously, there are some basics that you need to learn just to know when to use certain words. But in this situation, you can have un or not. Okay, just like I have it here, Miguel es buen hijo or Miguel es un buen hijo y también buen padre or también un buen padre. Okay, so I did this on purpose so you can know that in this situation you can have un or not. Okay, let's move on. The last example. La casa es amplia, bonita y también barata. La casa es amplia, bonita y también barata. This means the house is spacious, beautiful, and cheap as well. So I wish I could find a house like that. But we can see that that house has everything. La casa, the house, es amplia, is spacious, bonita, beautiful, and también, as well, barata, cheap. And también in this situation means as well. And you know, in Spanish we have grammatical gender, which means la casa is feminine because we're saying la casa, and it's very likely too because the word ends in a, and that's why all the adjectives are feminine as well. Amplia, bonita y también barata. Okay? If we were talking about a car, it will be el auto es amplio, bonito y barato. Right? So we're talking about a feminine noun, la casa, and that's why we're saying amplia, bonita y barata. Y también barata. One thing that you need to remember when using también, specifically if you want to type it in or write it down, you gotta use the accent mark, también, también. And that accent mark goes on top of the letter I or the letter E. Okay, perfect. That's it for today, guys. I think we learned a lot of things about the Spanish. I have a mess here. We learned a lot about the Spanish word también, también. It means also, as well, and too. Okay. Please leave more examples down below using también. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, we usually have live streams on Saturday, every Saturday, most Saturdays, and we do crossword puzzles. And it's just amazing. I really like to interact with you. Congratulations to Anthony Grant and Kate Beck, who won the last game or the last crossword puzzle. Thank you so much for participating, for interacting with me. And you guys know Spanish. Don't miss out the future live streams. I usually do that every Saturday. So please stay tuned and I hope you can join me. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. You can support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. You can get a membership on this channel. That helps this channel a lot. You can also donate through PayPal. All the links are down below. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!